Hi and welcome to Science Desk. In this video, we shall see the rusting of iron. So, in this video, we will see on what is rusting of iron, what are the various factors that affect the rusting process, and how to prevent the rusting process. Now, we will see them one by one. What is rusting of iron? Rusting of iron is an example of a chemical reaction because it is the reaction that happens with the formation of new product. That new product is what you call as rust. Rust is formed because of the reaction between the atmospheric oxygen and iron. So this is an example of a redox reaction. To see what is redox reaction and what is a chemical reaction in detail, please refer to our previous video and check the link in the description below. We will see what is the chemistry behind the rusting of iron process. When iron or an alloy of iron is getting exposed to oxygen in the presence of moisture, this leads to the formation of rust. What exactly happens here is iron will react with oxygen in the presence of moisture to give iron oxide. Iron oxide, which is newly formed, is referred to as the rust. The brown flaky substance that you see as a deposition in the iron particles is what you call as rust. So the rust has a chemical term called as iron oxide. Now we will see what are the various factors that affect the rusting of iron process. First is the moisture content. As we discussed before, the rusting of iron will be enhanced by the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. The moisture content increases the frequency of rusting. And then comes your impurities. Pure iron will take a long time to get rusted, where the iron mixed with a lot of impurities will rust even faster and make iron easily available to oxygen. And then salt water. Generally, salt increases the rusting process. And how do you prevent the rusting process? Alloys. Alloy is a mixture of metals and non-metals, where when the iron is mixed with alloy, example stainless steel, this prevents the oxidation process that is happening in iron. So the rust will not be formed easily and iron oxide will not be formed that easily. And then comes the galvanization process. Galvanization is a process where you coat iron particle with a layer of zinc. When this particle is having a contact with the oxygen, zinc will get oxidized to form zinc oxide, preventing the reaction between iron and oxygen. And then is the painting method. When you paint, the availability of iron for the oxygen and moisture to react and form iron oxide will be reduced. Now we will summarize one by one. We saw what is rusting of iron, which is a chemical reaction giving out a new product, rust, which is nothing but iron oxide. So the chemistry behind rusting process is when iron is reacting with oxygen in the presence of moisture, it gives the oxidized compound called iron oxide, which is referred to as rust. So what are the various factors that affect the rusting process? Moisture content, the salt level and the impurity level. And then we saw how to prevent the rusting process. First was using alloys and then galvanization and painting methods. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts in this video, please feel free to comment in the section below. And if you really find this video interesting, please do like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Science Desk. Thank you.